not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear.
I know I probably look so pissed.
Hey, or welcome back to my channel. Today, as you can see by the title, today I'm going to be working with Yolissa Hair Company. They sent me this deep wave wig. It's in a 26 inch and it's a frontal wig, 13 by 4. All the links to the hair will be in the description. So I'm not gonna be doing the ball cap method, as y'all can see, and don't mind the glue on the side of my head, like don't mind it, but I'm just getting straight into the video. So I'm applying some thin layers of glue on top of my head. You can use however many layers you do. I'll do like 2 or 3, depending on how long I'm gonna wear the wig. As you can see, I'm just evening it out. You want it to be evened out so it can all dry at the same time, because you don't want it all white and caked up on the lace. Make sure you wait till it's clear when you apply the lace also. Right here, I'm just applying the lace carefully on the glue. It's okay if you miss a few spots, you can just go back in. I don't know why I didn't put the wig on before applying the glue. Well, it really don't matter, really. But all you gotta do is comb through and blow dry. I blow dry on hot and cold because it just works better. Like, so yours, you can see that lace is laid, baby. Laid. As I was editing, I seen that a few clips was missing, but all I did was put a band over my edges after I applied the glue and separated my baby hairs from all the rest of the hair, and I'm just cutting them diagonally. Then I'm gonna curl them up with the Titanium Baby Bliss Pro flat iron. It's the little one.
Personality, everything you do makes me love everything about you. Your smile, your style is so fly. You can't deny, I got a crush on you, and that's truly. I'm digging you, you make me believe your love is one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling. Oh yeah, oh, baby, on your love, your love, one in a million. It goes on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long. It's not that I don't want you here.
I use Got To Be Glue spray and Gorilla Snot for my edges. I don't really know how to explain how to do edges, and I really wasn't showing it, but all I do is swoop and hold my finger. Hold the finger and swoop.
I'm chase beach views and every day. All I wanna hear is an visions that we play. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. Think I wish away. Really wanna, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you. When I wanna kiss you, yeah, I just wanna feel you, feel you. I want you around, around. I want you around, around. I want you around, around. I want you around, come through, I think I need you.